The music, where's the music coming from?
This house, but I thought there was an ordinance.
There is.
And what's the problem?
It's loud.
So
it's like if it's 100 feet away and you can hear it, it's not good.
yeah, but it's early.
I know, but you can't just crank music at any time of the day. It doesn't matter if it's 10 o'clock in the morning or 10 o'clock at night. When it's this loud, you got to turn it down.
We'll
Okay?
down a little.
All right. The music. You the homeowner?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name, sir?
Ronald.
Ronald. You got to turn it down.
So let me ask a question, all right?
No specific decibel level. However, this is excessively loud.
Okay.
Okay.
Because, you know, like all my neighbors, they all the time have this guy.
Then you should call us. I don't know what to tell you, but all I can say is I'm talking about right now. That's excessively loud. Do you understand that? If I come back, I'm going to issue a summons. So if you keep cranking it, I'm just going to issue a summons. I'll let the judge decide. I have the body camera here. He can decide if it's loud or not when I'm sitting in my car and I can hear it all the way out there.
So if I have a party, I'm not allowed to play.
Can't crank the music. Absolutely not. All right? So you have neighbors. Be respectful of them. It's loud. Like, that's okay. Like it is now, that'd be fine. All right? But when you have it cranked up, I don't see a problem with it now, like it is now. When you have it cranked up and I can hear it pulling up to your house, it's too much.
It's just one specific neighbor, man.
I know.
You know,
I don't know who it is.
They all the time have party. We don't do anything.
Well,
they were loud like for 3 in the morning.
But we're at the season now where we go to these houses constantly, and we tell the people multiple times, and it gets to be like, no, I'm not going to tell you anymore. Just going to start issuing you tickets. You can explain to the judge. We'll give him the body camera if he can see how loud and hear how loud it was, and that's the end of it. All right? Thank you. Hello. Police department.
Players know GoldenNuggetCasino.com has more of your big.
Hello.
Come on out. You want to do me a favor and grab your ID?
Again, man?
Yeah. 8 hours ago, I told you to turn it down.
Yo, it's been like that forever, man.
Well, it's 2:30 in the morning. It's cranked.
Okay.
Hi.
Can I talk to you
No,
for a
no,
second?
it's okay, babe. So here we're just gonna close it off, man.
Okay, shut it down.
All right, cool.
Shut it down. If I come back, you're getting a
All
ticket.
right, thank you.
All right, turn it off. Go in. Go inside. It's 2:30 in the morning. All right.
Soon as the officer left, these clowns started harassing their neighbors who had made the noise complaint and forced the cops to come back for the 4th time.
Ready? Yep. All right, the bald-headed guy with the gold chain.
So you better call the cops because you know what? You saw a lot of ducks here tonight and you can't get none. Look, they're coming back again, look.
It comes inward. It comes out. Comes out, Charlie told you.
Listen, you can't come in here, bro.
You can't be screaming like that.
Yeah, but you can't come in here.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't. The gate is
I
locked.
absolutely can. We're gonna
No, you
lock you.
can't.
If you're screaming your head off like that, we're coming in.
Hold on. You can't come in here. What are you coming in for?
Listen.
Because you can't.
Hold on. They can't come in
Go
here.
ahead and film it.
No, you cannot
Okay.
come in here.
Stop yelling. Who
You
lives here?
cannot come in here. You cannot come in here. Listen, they cannot come in. You cannot come in here without we inviting you.
Okay.
You're trespassing.
You cannot
come in
scream your
here.
head off at your neighbors, okay?
You
can't
cannot
do that.
come in here.
What do you mean
Just grab your ID.
You cannot come in here.
Specific neighbors.
Grab your ID.
For what?
He's getting a summons.
For what?
For the music and the noise.
There's no music.
The music being
Okay.
turned off.
Okay.
Wow.
We were here
You cannot
3
come in here.
times. We were
No,
here
no,
3
no, no,
times.
no.
Okay, listen to me.
Being turned off.
You cannot come in here. You guys cannot come in here.
Wait.
Were you here for the music or the
You guys have
noise?
masks?
What are you
Asking
here?
if
We
it's
don't
for the
have a
music
mask.
or not.
What are you here
Grab
for?
your ID.
No, the
Nobody's giving you IDs for what?
Okay, well, I
he
already
came
know
one
yours.
time. He said to me, "Play the music of the mellow."
No, and
I never turned the volume up.
Right.
He came back the second time. He said someone else made a complaint. The music never
Officer
turned up.
Halstead.
Okay, because you know
this
why? The night mellow.
You might want to
Work
just
off.
get him back.
Get him. You're not crossing the line because we didn't invite you in.
I don't care. I don't care.
You don't
I
care?
don't care. I don't care.
Why?
I don't
Why
care.
you?
You're gonna make all
You
over.
just
Why you?
I'm not hitting your wife.
You just hit
You're screaming your head off. That
You just Oh my God, that's my wife!
Stop. Put your hands behind your back. Behind your back.
All over social media.
You can't shove me, okay?
No one
I
shoved
asked
you.
you for your ID because I'm gonna write you a ticket. You can't scream your head
That's
off
my
at
wife.
your
All over
neighbors.
social media.
You
That's my
can't
wife.
scream your head off at your neighbors.
All over social media.
What happened?
This is her daughter.
VJ,
Listen!
what is happening? What are you
Move
guys
there,
doing?
let me see what they're doing to her.
She shoved me. She's under arrest.
She
What
did.
is wrong
I'll
with
grab
you
it.
people? VJ, stop!
She
Move
shoved
back.
me.
Let me see what's going
She's under
on.
arrest.
What is wrong with you people? I touched him. Do you know I'm
Let's go.
Take the dog inside. Take the dog inside.
Walk.
Take the dog.
Walk.
Wait, I want my dog to be in my home.
Walk.
Wait.
Walk. To the car.
Bye.
To the car.
Bye.
Let's go.
She made sure her party was going to last well into the morning when she shoved that officer in his chest.
She's under arrest for shoving me. It's on
Yeah, but
camera.
you
her
are
shoving
coming
me.
in our premises.
Right. We know who you are. You're getting a ticket, okay?
Yeah, but you're getting a ticket for what?
If
You're a
Look how
bully.
you handling my wife on the
You are a bully.
Guys,
You are a bully.
Let me get a chance again. No.
You are a bully.
if you want to
You
listen,
are a
If you
bully.
know who he is, why did
You
you
are a
call him
bully.
out like that? Just write a ticket.
she
You
shoved
guys are
me.
a bully.
You stepped in the yard.
You guys are a bully.
Listen, you yell at your neighbors again, you're under arrest. Got
You're
it?
a bully.
Stop bothering your
You are a bully.
neighbors.
You are a bully.
You had enough. You had enough chances tonight.
You guys are a bully.
What is
Walk
wrong
to the
with you?
car.
I have not. I'm
Walk
not
to the
this.
car.
What is wrong with you? I didn't even
let-
touch
let's-
you.
Why are you hitting her?
I'm
You
not
just
hitting your wife.
You
yes,
just
you-
You're screaming your head off at your
You
neighbors.
just hit her.
Let's walk to my car. Let's go.
What is wrong with you?
Are you gonna walk to
No,
the car?
I'm going to go. No. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Let's go.
No. No. Let go of me. Let go. You want to really hurt me? This
No.
little girl,
I
you
want you to
really
stop
want to
being
hurt?
uncooperative.
Let go of me. Bye. Bye.
Get away from me. Get away
Bye.
from me.
Let go. Bye.
Let the
Go
camera in.
in my phone and go under. What did she do? I didn't
Why
do
are you
anything.
handling my wife?
You're a bully.
I was here 8 hours ago.
Problem. The neighbors are the problem.
Why did he do that to her? For no reason. He's a bully.
like that?
He's a bully.
That's a female.
Can I get your
on
ID?
the ground.
No, you can't get
I need your ID.
The owner went for the ID. We don't live here. The owner went for the ID.
Come on.
The owner went for the ID.
Come on. What did they do to Ruth, Jennifer?
They pulled her. I hope she's not injured.
Go under my phone. I don't
Into the car.
want to touch anybody. No. Did she touch? Bye. Go on my phone. Bye.
Stay back.
Go in my phone and go under front. Go under
Just sit
the
in the
mayor.
car.
Open the car for me, please.
Rebecca, you remember I told you about the police? Under North Plainfield. I want you to go in my phone right now.
It's okay to handle a woman like that. It's okay to handle a
She's
woman like
under
that.
arrest
even
for
do
assaulting
anything
me,
to that.
Assaulting
okay?
in which way? I got
She
a
shoved
camera.
me. I got a camera
Let's
too.
go.
I have
It's
you
on.
on the camera.
car.
You want to hit me too?
Okay.
Bye.
Hit me.
Bye.
Hit
You
me.
tell me.
Hit
You
me.
tell me.
Hit me. You hit me.
You're the ones that caused
You
it because you
took
don't want to lower your
advantage
music.
of my woman,
you don't want to lower your
of my
music. Your
wife.
neighbors are calling us here because you're a
In
problem.
which way?
Your neighbors are calling us because
In
you're a
which
problem.
way? I've complied to all the rules.
You didn't.
My music was
I
loud.
showed
You want
up.
to hit me too?
You guys are
hit
screaming
me.
at your neighbors.
You want to hit me?
He seemed like he was ready for some cop cuddles too.
You hit a woman? You hit a woman?
Keep yelling and you're going to be under arrest
Hit
as well.
me.
Keep yelling
hit
and
me.
you're going to be under arrest as well. You're
Really?
disorderly.
Yelling.
Disorderly. Do you
Hitting my
understand-
baby girls?
Do you understand what
You
disorderly
be
is?
so...
Do you understand what disorderly person is? That's how you're acting right now.
That's what you guys hit my wife.
Can I have your ID?
You...
Rebecca, call the lieutenant. What is his name? Look at my phone of North Plainfield. Just go into North Plainfield Police. He's the head of the police department.
Stop. Stop it. Stop. Hold this, then. Hold this.
Cameras all of my home. I'm gonna get you.
What did I do to them? What is wrong with you guys?
Why are you making this so difficult? For goodness sake. She'll be released in about 45 minutes.
But what did I
Hit me again. Let's see what happens here. All right? Stop. You're making this very difficult.
What did I to you?
Sit in the car.
Now sit there. Stop making it so difficult.
Go me, you piece of shit.
Stop.
Stop.
Give me a seatbelt. Give me a seatbelt.
You is a piece of shit. Rebecca, contact the cop. Bye.
She will be released in about 45 minutes.
Ready?
You hear me?
And that's how you handle a woman?
Yes.
Hit my wife on the ground?
Listen,
If we come back, if we come back, and you're loud again,
Listen, sir.
we're just gonna keep issuing summons. Yes, sir.
Listen. Can I talk to
You
you?
slam my wife on the ground?
There's no reason for you guys.
You don't have to record it. We're recording it right here.
I know, but let me.
You
This is for
slam
my
my wife on the
protection.
ground?
This
Okay.
is for my protection. Okay.
Okay.
There's no reason for you guys to arrest her.
Harass
Okay.
her like that.
Don't
Fine,
take
you
her.
arrest her, but
Let me.
I don't know what happened there. I don't know what happened there. I was standing
I know
behind
what
him.
happened
Okay.
because I have it on camera.
Okay.
You wasn't in front. He was in the front, right?
I was in the back.
Exactly. There's no reason for you.
He
guys
was in the front and he was next to me.
There's no reason for you guys to arrest her.
If you guys don't go inside, we're leaving, okay? She's gonna get processed. She's gonna get summoned. We're leaving.
Go inside.
Okay, but
Okay.
there's no reason for you guys to arrest her.
Okay. Obviously there is. He's kicking her now.
If you guys keep making noise outside, you're all gonna get locked up. She's gonna get a summons and she'll be released.
Why are we gonna get locked
you're
up for what?
female. Oh my God.
Female or male, you have no right to touch a uniformed police officer. It's all on here. It's all on here. Yes, we can.
The female was taken to the jail where she initially refused to provide any information, but then complied after learning that it would be an additional charge.
Are you taking any medication right now?
Yes, from you police officers.
What medication are you taking?
Up.
Do you use any street?
Yes. It's a new. It's called against from the police officers of North Plainfield.
Okay. Is this the first time you've been arrested or jailed?
Why don't you tell me? You've run my name.
I'm asking you. Is the first time you've been arrested or
You tell
jailed?
me. Arrest me more than you can. You tell me. You know all the answers. I'm not answering any from you until I have a lawyer present. If you ask me my age, I'm not going to answer that. If you ask me on a female, I'm not going to answer that until I have a attorney present.
That's fine. But you realize this is pedigree information, and you have no right to attorney to answer these questions.
Well,
just so you
then
know.
I'm not going to answer. You're going to hold me here all night.
Well, then you will be obstructing your investigation. You understand that? And you realize that's another charge.
You want to do that? You want to go that far?
That's fine. If you don't want to answer, you don't have to. Like I said, that's
Why
just another
should
charge.
I haven't done anything to you.
If you're telling me you're not going to do it, you can be. It is 3:10 right now. You could literally be out of here by 3:30 and back at your house.
I'm stubborn. I'm Capricorn.
Okay.
Let's play this game.
That's your decision. That's purely your decision.
I'll be in contact.
This way, to the lobby.
Well, it's so dark. You people are so like, I don't know.
Shut the lights off on the weekends and the night.
But you find joy in this, don't you? He said, I'll be in contact.
Is your husband still here? Is he?
You.
This is for
I'll take it. I'll all the evidence.
Okay, you got all the evidence. All right, take care.